Hello, friends. Good evening. Hope every one of you are doing extremely well. So, tomorrow is the last trading day of this quarter, this financial year. The financial year is ending because Friday is a trading holiday because of Good Friday. So, tomorrow, we will do monthly closing, weekly closing, and quarterly closing. Right. So, three important closing coming up, and end of financial year also. The whole financial year has come to an end, and this is a very good time to again go back and see how you have fared in your investments and in your trading. For investment wise, I think everybody, I mean, uh, who has invested should have definitely made money because we had a roaring bull market, especially in mid and small cap spaces. So everybody would have made money. So in front of you, this is where this rally started, and this was the bottom, and from there this rally started, and we have seen an exponential rise almost from 16,800 towards 22,000, a move of 6,000 points in Nifty, which is backed by fundamentals, backed by IPO craze and everything. So we have seen an excellent financial year coming to an end. So and tomorrow is an important astro date also, which I wanted to show you. So what could be the potential move of the market or what Nifty can do? So let's go and revisit Nifty's chart. So I'll first go on a monthly time frame. So on a monthly time frame, January was a doji, February almost a small doji, and March the open is 22,048. So I think bulls or bears, will like to close it around 22,048 tomorrow, to form another doji and get this quarter over and move on to the next quarter with a, new vigor of energy. Why I say so is if I go and check the quarterly chart, okay, it doesn't have quarterly. Okay, I'll show you on ME broker. So this is Nifty daily. We'll move to monthly. I'll move to quarterly here. So quarterly also, last quarter we almost rallied 10, 11%. So, and if you see here, before that quarter also we rallied 10%, and the Nifty next quarter was just consolidation, 2.3% up, and again, big 10% up move. And now this quarter again it is up almost like 2%. I mean, in 3 months, Nifty has just moved 2%. See, and with so much volatility with budget in place, so that is how markets is all about. So, the trending markets were not there, and a lot of people face difficulty in making in trending markets. Some traders enjoy these mean reverting markets, so where they can play both sides. So at the end of the day, that is how markets it will have a trending phase, it will have a sideways phase. So probably the next quarter, starting from April, May, June, we'll have the election results also, and the election, all this Lok Sabha election going on in 6 phases. So definitely there will be a lot of volatility. So hopefully we'll see some good trending moves in the market in the coming new quarter. Now let's quickly go and observe what is happening on Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, it's forming an inside bar on a quarterly chart, and hopefully, the open was around 48,203. It is trading at 46,785. So probably bulls will like to close somewhere near 47,000 to 46,500. That will be a nice race to close around. On a monthly chart, the open of this month is 46,218, and now Bank Nifty is at 785. So probably somewhere around again 46,500 to 47,000 will be a nice close to be seen. And on a weekly again, we are forming a kind of inside bar only. Again, it's an holiday shortened week. So nothing major. And for tomorrow's expiry, the level which I'm watching out for the expiry is basically, yeah, here it is, 22,270 on upside and 21,975 on downside. The expiry levels are already shared on the website. And expiry option trades are also shared, so you can always visit brameshtechanalysis.com. And if you go to this intraday levels, we have shared the intraday buy above levels 20 to 150, and we have shared our expiry ranges also. Now coming back to the main topic of this video, the Bayes rule. So George Bayes, I've already discussed in a lot of my video, trend determination of astrological rule. So he has one rule, rule number 38, which says Mercury latitude in heliocentric. which we shall use. What he said was there are four values in line which bring forth changes of trend. These values are, he says, like Mercury in heliocentric, if it comes to 0, 3.21, 6.42, and 7 degrees, we generally see a change in trend. These inside values are effective on either side, on the way up or down, on the way down. Some mighty fine tops and bottoms are produced when Mercury in this motion passes above mentioned degrees. ठीक है? That is how this is what he's saying. So let's quickly go and find out. It is very difficult to find a timing solution, so I use a software called SolarFire. So this is SolarFire software. It's a very nice astro software, and people who are interested in human astrology, it can create very good data. So in this, you have to go to dynamic and FOMS generator, and let's quickly backtest from 1st January to 31st December. The timing is 5.5 hours. Latitude, Mercury, heliocentric, right? So Mercury, heliocentric, latitude. Start. Click on start. It will automatically generate the levels. And what you can do is you can export this file, uh, and we'll just quickly open this file. So this is how easily with this software you can get the data. Now what is it? 0, 3 point. I'll just put date here, and I'll remove these two things. Delete. I will quickly check. So he says 0, 3.21, 6.42, and 7. Just we'll recheck it again. 0, 3.21, 6.42, and 70. So let's quickly check. Are we getting any? We want exact, right? 6.44 we'll ignore. So 7 is there. 7 is on 13th January 2023. So let's quickly go and check what happened on 13th January 2023. Did we get any trend change? 13th January. This is 4th. This is 13th January. You see here, the market was going down. We formed a beautiful candle, and from there the high was breached, and from there we had a 2 days of good rally. One day Nifty was at 150 points, so almost 300 points rally in two trading sessions above this high, right? And once this low was also breached, you had a wonderful fall also on downside. Right? So these are for short term. Some mighty fine tops and bottoms is what he's saying. So you can see here we had a very good rally on upside, and these levels can be used till the next date doesn't come. So let's see, whenever I'll mark two horizontal lines here. One is at this high and one is at this low. And as you can see here, it broke this high, whips over there from here, two times good fall. And once this high was breached, a beautiful rally also. So this is, let's see, it might be a fluke. So let's backtest few more things. So we want 3.21 and 6.42 and zeros. So these dates are difficult to find, but as and when they come, we can take into consideration. So we see here around 5th February, no, 3rd February, we have to take 0 degrees. So the nearest in this is 5th February. You can see a 48 degree 27 0.0. This is almost near to 0. Let's quickly go and check 5th February 23. 5th Feb 23. Again, we'll go to trading view 5th Feb, which is 3rd Feb 4th. So 5th was a holiday, so we'll take 3rd Feb only. And from here also, we made a bottom and we had a nice rally in the market, both on upside and downside. So after this, we'll go again and let's take another one, 3.21, or and these negative values generally come because the Mercury went into retrograde motion. So 3.21 is still not there. 6.43 is there. Uh, we want 6.427 again came. It came on 8th March. So let's quickly go and check what happened on 8th March. 8th March. This is 14th 9. So 8th was a holiday. Yeah, here it is 8th March. 8th was not a holiday. Again, you can see here it made a mighty top. Right. So from here we had a below this low it closed. Shorts can be taken outside bar. Next a big gap down. After that another 300 400 points kind of fall. So yeah, so this is how you can use this. You can mail me on bhandaribrahmesh@gmail.com. I can share these values with you, so you can very well go ahead and backtest it. So now let's quickly come to, 2024 to see if these values are coming. So if you can see here on 11th March, this value was there. 12, 13, see here, 13th March, it was at 0 degree. What happened on 13th March? We had that big fall. Nifty maximum in this quarter, it had the maximum biggest fall, 338 points, right? 13th March. Now this next date is coming on tomorrow, which is 7 degree. So 26, 27, yeah, see here exactly 7 degree it came here. So we can expect some decent move in the market. Now, how do I capture it? So, the levels I've already shared, but if you really, if you are not clear on the levels or it opens gap up, gap down, just watch out for first 15 minutes high and low. And we generally use our ratio indicator. We put in the high and low. Let's suppose today was that day. So I'll just quickly show you. This is our ratio indicator. We just put the high and low. So high is at 22,104, low is 22,052, 23,104, 22,052. Click OK. You get your level. So it did first target, second target, and from the third target, it retraced back. It is as simple as that. But if you don't have access to this indicator, because it's a proprietary indicator, but you can just watch out first 15 minutes high and low, whichever side is broken, take the trade. And the target is basically the range of the candles. The range is 82 points. So above this high, we can expect a move of around 82 points. It is as simple as that. So that's it. And if I look at master levels, if you are planning for swing trade, so one important level which Nifty has to today also it reacted from this purple line 22,201 around that. So and again the premium is quite high, like Nifty spot closed at 22,123, future is around 22, 30 points premium is there, which will again further get reduced tomorrow. So yeah, so bull has to go above this 22,201 for swing trade for a move towards this all-time high, and if unable to do that, then we are falling again back to 21,952 to 21,900 range. So yeah, so a very small video. I just wanted to show you how you can use solar fire software to capture find important bears rule, and people who want these files, they can mail me and I can forward you that for the next 2023 and 2024. You can find the dates again. So again, this book is available free of cost on internet. Just the name of the book is George Baer's Handbook of Trend Determination, Astrological Rules for Trader. Very nice book. Even if you don't know anything, the rules are quite simple in nature, and you can utilize them. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Hope you learned something. The long weekend is coming, so use it judiciously. And again, to reiterate, if you are profitable for the last financial year, very well, congratulations. Go ahead and see what you have done right and try to improvise on it. Try to improve on that. If you have made X, try to focus on 1x, 2x from that. If you are loss making trader, nothing to be disheartened about. Market is always a learning machine. Learn from your mistakes and move forward. I mean, important is not to quit. That is more important, and keep and not doing the same mistakes. You don't quit, but if you keep doing the same mistakes, again, that's a problem. So, one lesson, probably I'll try to make a video on what important lessons you can learn. But again, don't be excited by seeing others profit and loss. Everyone has their own cycle. So focus on what you can do better and what you can learn and what you can implement. And again, I will tell, the important thing is not to quit. Focus is, to not repeat the mistakes, maintain the right position size, focus on your position size. I've seen a lot of people focusing a lot on stop losses, but very few people are focusing on position size. Try to focus on your position size, and things will definitely be much, much better for you in the coming financial years. My best wishes to every one of you who is watching the video. Stay disciplined. Thank you very much.